Hey there, foodies. Today, I've got an amazing kitchen gadget to show you, the Kitchen Gizmo Snap and Strain Silicone Clip-on Colander. This is the original snap and strain, designed and manufactured by Kitchen Gizmo, so you know you're getting a high-quality product. This fine mesh strainer is not only easy to use, but it's also a space-saving essential for any home cook. The specially designed clips easily snap onto round pots, pans, and bowls of all sizes, saving you time and hassle in the kitchen. And when you're done, this compact strainer stores in a quarter the size of a traditional colander or sieve, making it a must-have for anyone working with limited counter space. But what really sets this colander apart is its heat-resistant silicone construction, capable of withstanding temperatures up to 440 F. Whether you're draining hot pasta or boiling vegetables, this clip-on strainer will not warp or melt, ensuring both safety and durability in your kitchen. So if you're ready to take your cooking game to the next level, make sure to click on the link in the description and get your hands on the Kitchen Gizmo Snap and Strain Silicone Clip-on Colander. Trust me, you won't regret it. And while you're at it, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more awesome kitchen gadget reviews and tips. Happy cooking!